Hi, this is Tom with Pure Water Power, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to assemble your Pure Water Power water-fed pole. Now this is the same rules apply to whether you get the Viper, Mamaba, or Cobra water-fed pole. And here we go. So when you get your item from UPS, you're going to get your, this is a Mamaba water-fed pole. So you're going to get the pole itself. You're going to get a box like this with your brush, your manifold, and your gooseneck assembly. And then you're also going to get a length of hose to run through your water-fed pole. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure everything's here. You have an instructional, but we're going to start off with the water-fed pole brush itself. So this is a double trim 4 pencil jetted water-fed pole brush, and in the brush box you're going to get a manifold like this. It's just 3 T's with a couple of hoses connecting them together. Now you're going to take each end of this and connect it to the 2 hoses, tubings coming off of the water-fed pole. So on one side you're going to take 1 T, push it on like so, take the second hose, push it right on the center part of that T, and then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Put the center T on that one, and then the other side goes to that, and now you've completed your manifold assembly on your water-fed pole brush. Second thing you're going to do is take the gooseneck. I like to loosen this up a little bit and get that pointed up a little bit. I like to use this as a crutch for the tubing coming off of the brush. So we're going to go ahead and tighten that up a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and screw this onto the brush. It's easier to do this before you connect it to the pole. So you're going to go around until it's tight, and there you have it. That is the correct configuration. I'm going to go ahead and unhook this and bring it to the top. And actually I'm going to adjust this just a hair more. Okay, so something along those lines. So now I've got pretty much the angle I want. You have your manifold set up on the brush, and you're done there. So now you have your pole tip. This is what goes in the end of your water-fed pole. It's easier to assemble this first, so you can really crank on it and get it tight. So you're going to screw that onto the gooseneck, and then that is the complete assembly. So now you're going to take this tubing. You can either run it through the pole or use it on the exterior of the pole. It doesn't matter. A lot of guys do them both ways. I prefer to run them through the pole, but that's just me. So basically this hose assembly has a female garden hose on one side, and then you have your shut-off valve, and then you have the length of the hose. So you're going to take this hose and feed it through the bottom of the pole and have it come through the top. So then you're going to assemble the pole tip, and then go ahead and clamp down, and you've now completed that assembly. So also included with your water-fed pole brush is a reducer fitting and a small length of 3/16 red tubing. You're going to put the red tubing into the smaller side of this fitting, and then you're going to take this fitting and connect it to the T fitting off of the brush. So now your tubing, as it comes through the pole, will come out of this hole right here and connect directly to your brush. And now you have completed the assembly of your water-fed pole. Very simple. Like I said, you can run it internally or externally. And if you have any questions on installation, feel free to contact us at Pure Water Power, purewaterpower.com. Thank you, and have a great day.